Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. This video will be showing us the step-by-step process on how to perform the SMCDAO's Twitter tags to earn 20 points. Step 1, you tap on your Twitter app. Next up, you tap on the search icon. So step 1 is for us to follow the SMCDAO's Twitter page, okay? So once you search for SMCDAO, you follow their Twitter page. Once that's done, step 2 will be to go to the SMCDAO's website, that is www.smcdao.com. Okay, so once the site loads up, this comes up and then you join the community. So you tap on join us, then you fill in your email address. Okay, so for this video, we're using this email address to join in. Okay. Alright, and then you impute your Telegram ID. Ensure that you're imputing the right Telegram ID, that is your username. So let me show you how the username looks like. So you just go on your Telegram and then you see this is the username, the Panda Guy. For this account, this is the username, the Panda Guy. Ensure you're not using the display name Cheesy. Use the username the Panda Guy. Okay, so you know what your username is, so impute your username in this field. Okay, all right, so once that's done, then your referral Telegram ID, it's optional. If you do not have anyone who referred you, you just go ahead and join the SMCDAO community. See? Great, user account has successfully been created. Okay, so next up, the next step is then to add SMCDAO on our Twitter page. Okay, so we have to go to our Twitter profile, tap on your Twitter profile, right? And then where you have edit profile, you tap on edit profile, and then where we have bio, right? You ensure you impute the SMCDAO Twitter handle. So you just put something like this: believer at SMCDAO. Okay, this is perfect. That is where you have your bio, the description. You just put the SMCDAO Twitter handle, and then where you have your name, your display name, you ensure you add the SMC sign. So it's SMC sign is just the white box. So just go in your emoji signs and then you search for a white box and then you just impute it. That's all. And once you're done, you tap on save. Okay, so this is how your profile should look like. You have the white box and then you should have the SMCDAO's Twitter handle displayed on your Twitter page. Okay, so once that's done, go over to the fifth step. The fifth step now is to fill a form. So this form, the link to the form will be imputed in the caption of this video. Okay, so this is the form link. So we have to fill this form with all the details that we've used so far. Okay, so let's wait for this form to open up. All right, okay, so I'm going to open up with my Google Chrome. Great, the form is up, and what we have to do is to fill in the email address we used in registering on the website, and I used anaschini1@yahoo.com. Then next, the Twitter username, you just go to your Twitter account and then you impute your Twitter username. And for this account is the Panda Guy, right? Okay, so we just impute the Panda Guy. All right, and then link to Twitter profile. Just copy. So you just have to just copy this. What you have here, just copy it, paste. Okay. Once you paste, then ensure you delete Samapi, and then you just type your username, your Twitter username, that is the Panda Guy. Do not add the @ just impute the letters only. Okay, so this is it. And then the email address, please enter the email address you register on smcdao.com. Okay, this for the first email address, you use any email address, right? Any functional email that you have. And then here again, where we're asked to impute an email address, you can still use the same email address. Okay, all right, so imputing this now. Great, and then we're asked to impute a Telegram ID, just like we did when we're filling the SMCDAO SMCDAO website form. Ensure you impute your Telegram username, just like I said before. That is this username, the Panda Guy. Okay, so we're going to impute the Panda Guy. Okay, and then proof of SMC tag, flag, or on Twitter bio, provide a screenshot. Okay, so all we need to do is just to go back to a Twitter profile and then you just make a screenshot. Okay, this is perfect. So you just, if you want to crop it, you can crop it. Alright, save, and then we go back to the form and then we tap on add file. Alright, so we wait for the gallery to load up and then we can just browse maybe recent, or yeah, we can just browse and recent, or we could just go to my drive. Let's see, browse. Okay, we can just leave the upload. Leave the upload, and then you have to search for recent. Let's see if we can just find your recent. Yeah, it's under recent. Good. So upload and then recent, and then the screenshots will be uploaded. Okay, and then did you complete the Twitter tags before 24th February 2023? Okay, so for me, no, so I'll just tap on no. But if you did complete the Twitter tags before 24th February 2023, you need to provide a proof. You need to provide the proof, substantial proof that you did, just like a screenshot, or that you actually emailed the admin that yes, you did the whole tax before 24th February 2023. The reason for this is because the SMC points was revalued after 24th February 2023. So in order to get the old points, you have to share substantial proof that you did the tax before February 24th. Or if you didn't, you just have to tap on no and then you submit. Okay, so once you submit, that's done. Right, so my response has been recorded, and all we need to do is just to be patient, right? And then once the admin, person in charge of the form, looks through and investigates that yes, you've done everything that's required of you to do, ensure that you get your points on the website. How you check your points is just go to the website. Okay, just go back to the website. Let's see, just go back to the website and then you fill in your details. Once you fill in the details, you'll be asked to impute your 6-digit code. Okay, so I have to go to my email address to get my 6-digit code. Let's see, let's Yahoo Mail, right? Yeah, let's see, it's Yahoo Mail. Let's see if the code, yeah, the code is in here. I hope it hasn't expired, right? Because I already logged in a long time ago. But let's see if it still works. If it doesn't work, just have to request for a new one. Okay. Great, it worked. So I have successfully registered, joined SMC community, and I should click the button below to join the community. That you have to just click on Telegram, but I already joined the Telegram. And once you just go back, oh sorry, I didn't do that. Okay, so let's generate the OTP again. Let's get the code again. Okay, so the code should come up now, and okay. So we paste the code, right, and then we log in. Okay, so token has been validated, and yes, we can see that I have 0 points, right? So once the form has been examined, right, you'll be awarded 20 points, and then you will see it being displayed here. And then you can also refer other people, because remember when we're filling the form, that we're asked to impute the Telegram referral ID. So if you refer other people, you earn more points, and there are other tasks you can do in the community whereby you earn more and more points. Ensure you keep that points increasing, right guys, because you never know, this point will be useful in the coming months. So ensure you grab as many points as you can. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Ensure to like this video, make a comment if you don't understand anything in the comment section, and rest assured someone will be available to help you. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.